Hey, what's up, everyone? This is Jimmy, aka Savvy Crypto Investor. It's November 3rd. I'm back again. I got another link for another HYIP Site review. This one is coingather-trade.com. I can tell you a lot of these sites now are starting to look the same to me. They're changing out some basic graphics so that it's clear that there's a difference, but the layout and some of the main components are exactly the same and identical. What that tells me is that these sites are using templates that they're buying from some web service. So I'm gonna look around, but I'm pretty certain that there might already be a YouTuber that also does HYIP Site reviews that may have already caught on to this. So I'll try to find their video, and I'll see if I can post a link to his channel, so at least you can kind of see. I don't remember exactly, but it seems like I've seen this. I've seen somebody has posted this already, so I'll try to post a link, so at least we can. I don't have to repeat it. Plus, give him the credit, or her, if I remember who it is. Anyways, long story short, coingather-trade.com. Is it a scam? Is it legit? By the end of this video, I hope that you will have decided already for yourself. But just from what I've gathered so far, it's not looking too good. So let's get into it. When you jump on the homepage here, when you actually open up the site for the first time, you scroll down and the first thing you see is 27% for 4 hours, all the way up to 550% after 1 day. Come on, guys. 550% on a $150 investment, that is absolutely insane type of interest. There's almost no way that this can be guaranteed. I'm invested in some of the best mutual funds and stock investments that have some of the highest growth potential, or actually having some of the best growth the last year, 3-year, 5-year, and 10-year terms, lengths of time. But 550% is ridiculous. My best investment right now in the actual real market is probably 40%, 38, 40%. I'm not going to show that to you right now because that would involve going into my own personal accounts and exposing financial information I don't want to provide to you. But I can certainly share different investment stocks or mutual fund titles or names that you can consider later. Maybe I'll do a different video on that later. But this isn't about that. I'm not a financial advisor. My intention is not to give you financial advice, and I certainly couldn't offer it to you even if I thought I knew what I was talking about. So take everything I say with a grain of salt. Make your own decisions. But the fact that they're offering 27% all the way up to 550% is absolutely ridiculous. Wait a second. 550% after 1 day? Whoa, 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 whoa. So if I put $150 in, I'm going to get 550% return after 1 day. There's no way. There's absolutely no freaking way. It says the deposit term is 30 days, so I'm really curious as to how this site is going to work. But I'm going to tell you right now, save your money. Wait for someone to show proof of payment before you decide to put money in this site, because it seems absolutely absurd. And these sites are getting more and more and more absurd every single day. And I believe it's just for the intention of stealing your money, because it's getting harder and harder and harder to convince people to invest. So when it gets harder and harder and harder, the claims have to be more and more unrealistic in order to convince you that, say, hey, oh my God, 150 bucks, that's nothing. I can risk $150 in order to gain 550%, but it's not going to happen. Okay, moving on. This site has been running for 0 days, and I'm going to show you why in a minute. That's absolutely truth. Total investors, 35. I am so sorry for the 35 of you who've invested $79 or more, but it's only been on site. It's only been online for a day, and it's already got $17 in withdrawals. That, first of all, doesn't make any sense to me. All right, and check it out. Withdrawals, $17. So 5 and 6 is 11. 350 is 1450. So yeah, that adds up. And this looks like this adds up. Maybe 55. I'm sorry, 44. 11 is 55. 60, 65. 70. What? 3. 78, 79. Yeah, so those add up. That's awesome. See more transactions. Nope, that's it. So, okay, so you've gotten some deposits. Good job. Coingather-trade.com. You've gotten a couple people to sign up. I'm going to make sure that people don't sign up for you anymore unless you prove that you're real and that you're paying out and other people confirm that too. Enough said. All right, moving on. Supposedly they have these payment connections. I think they're just accepting money in those forms. Let's see, about is a private, legally registered online investment company. Okay. Generally, our profit comes from 4 different markets. Majority of the profit earned using trading bitcoins and mining bitcoins in our large data center in Panama and Japan. Show me some pictures of your data centers in Panama and Japan. Otherwise, they're not yours. They're someone else's, and you're renting space on someone's server, cloud server. Okay? Another important revenue source comes from a sale of electricity and hardware of Bitcoin mining. Okay. Beginning in 2012, we decided to focus our wholesale electricity trading efforts in the Bitcoin mining industry and built an exclusive data center from industry-leading equipment based on world-class standards to host miners in the best condition and with lower power cost. Excuse me. Dude, your website is 0 days old, and I'm not even kidding right now. This website is 0 days old, and we've never heard of coingather-trade.com. You're telling me you've been online since 2012. All right, check this out. Copy. And let's go to Google right here. Paste. Okay, so usually when you copy and paste a paragraph in, you can kind of see what other websites are using the exact same information. So maybe if I copy and paste smaller amount of information, maybe I'll find something here. Crypto, Bitcoin, our wholesale electricity trading efforts in the Bitcoin mining industry, blah, 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 blah. Tree Urchi Kun, cryptocurrency talk. Coinseed.com, same information. Exact same information. Oh, beginning 2013 instead of 2012. So at least, they changed the year. Earn 3%. Oh my God. Okay. If I haven't shown you enough already to suggest that this is a scam, then I need you. I don't know what to say, but let me keep going because this is already getting interesting. Okay, daily profit 1.5%. Wait a minute, 101.5% after 1 day for $10 to $1,000. What the hell? I thought it was 27% or 550%. Wait. Let's go back here. 27% hourly for 4 hours. Minimum deposit $1. Maximum deposit $1,000. There's nothing about $10. 40%, 70%, 550%. Deposit term 1 day, 3 days, 6 days. All right, let's go back to investments. Come on, guys. This is so stupid. If you have put money into this site, I want you to report it to FCC, the FBI, CIA, whoever the hell you got to send a fraud alert to that this company is frauding you out of money right now. The front page and the investment page don't even match. There's different daily profits, different percentages, different payment requirements. $10 to $1,000 here, $10 to $2,500, $10 to $5,000. Okay, so basically, I'm supposed to get 1.5% out per day, but on the website, on the home page, it tells me I'm supposed to get 27% an hour after only 4 hours. So here we go again. So 4 hours, let's do the math. 27 times, after 4 hours, I'm earning 27%. There's 24 hours in one day, so that means there's 6 times 27, right? Which is clearly more than 100%, correct? I mean, 4 times 25 is 100, so 6 times 27 is going to be clearly more than 100, right? So therefore, this 101.5 makes absolutely no sense. And I'm sorry if I'm doing a little bit of math in my head. It's not perfect. I'm just trying to get to a quick point that this is not right. Something's not right. Okay? Let's go to rating. It's probably not. Oh, there we go. Coming soon. Of course, it's only been up for a day. There's not going to be any ratings. No news because this is a fraudulent site to begin with. I didn't see anything majorly different or wrong with the frequently asked questions, but let's go to support. Email admin@coingather-trade.com. Follow us on Facebook. You got a Facebook page? I'm gonna check this out. But check this out first. We have an address. Thank you so much. Let me check that address. Ooh, look at that. We have an address, and question is it residential or business? Ooh, the Wellington. Ooh, I wonder if I can't. Ooh, liquor store. Punchy orders. Man, I'm American, so I don't really know what punchy things are, but hey. So, man, this is a residential area with a little business right here. And because it says the Wellington, I'm pretty sure it's not coingather-trade.com. If it is, I would love to know that. So please post a comment below and let me know if this is legitimate. If we have any viewers from the UK, please, and anyone from London, please visit this address and tell me if this is legit. All right, whois.com, coingathertrade.com. Registered at Namecheap. Of course it is, because that's where all the fraudulent sites are starting to be registered. It's a lot harder to trace that way. Registrant date, 2017, November 3rd. What is today? November 3rd. Guys, come on. Okay? They're scamming you out of your money. All right? I'm going to, let's see if I can update this. Hopefully we got no other investors coming on yet. All right. Last thing, let's check out this Facebook page. Oh, probably shouldn't have done that. Turn on Facebook notifications. No, thank you. Where's the Facebook page? Follow us on Facebook. Yep, not there. All right, I'm done with this site. I cannot believe the amount of sites that are coming up daily trying to fraud people out of money. Okay? Stop putting your money in here, guys. Everyone watching this video, stop right now. Share this video. Let people know that this is a scam. Every single time somebody posts a referral link for this site, please copy and paste my link and let people know that this is fraud. This is obvious fraud. Okay? I can't say or do nothing else to help you understand that this is fraud. And this is happening every day. A brand new website is coming online. All they need is to get a couple hundred people that are willing to put a couple $100 in here, not in total, but I mean, a couple hundred people putting some money in will equal out to a couple $1,000s, and they can keep perpetuating this every single day and make it their full-time job. So cut it out. Help me spread the word. We need to bring attention to this before it becomes a bigger scam. So today is the best day. 0 running days, 35 investors. Great. I'm sorry for the 35 investors that have already invested. You're probably going to lose all of your money, if not majority of it. From what I've noticed, these HYIP sites don't pay more than 20 to 30% of any investment that you put in. So you may get 1 or 2 payments out. I mean, clearly, if this is accurate, there's already been $17 withdrawn, but what percentage of that is 79? It's almost 20%. And that's what I'm saying. 20 to 30% is going to be paid out of what is put in. But I don't think they're going to pay more than that, because they would start to eventually lose money. So in order to keep the fraud perpetuating, they have to continue to pay out 10, 20, maybe even 30% to try to keep it going. So people will post, oh, it's paying. And then all of a sudden, boom, it's going to be gone. Okay, these sites started in the beginning 25 to 30 days. Now, since I've been involved in the last month and a half, I've seen that 25 to 30 day range get brought down to 10 to 20 days. Now, we have a bunch of YouTubers and myself that are trying to bring in these site reviews from the beginning and show you guys that these are potentially fraudulent. I'm not saying they all are, but some of them definitely are. And so now you're seeing 0 to 10 days, these sites are up and down, are up and then closed. So be aware. Until people start posting consistent videos of payments of proof, stay away. Okay? Thumbs up, like my video. If you liked it, comment below. I would love to answer any questions you have. And please subscribe. Have a great day.